All right. Hopefully that's unmuted. Mute, mute, mute. Is it recording? Looks like it's recording. Is it recording now? All right, here we go. We are on page 737, lesson 13.4. We are finding unknown measures. So we're going to try and find the area, or we're going to try and find the perimeter. Okay. So Tanisha is painting. Oh no, it's not. Oh, I might have to change something. This should work. Oh, no. I can't scroll down. Let's see, did that help? I still can't scroll down. Whoops. Let's just stop this one. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I got it now. So Tanisha's painting a mural that is in the shape of a rectangle. The mural covers an area of 54 square feet. The base of the mural measures 9 feet. What is the height? So look at what we've got right here. We got 54 square feet. So we know this is 54 square feet squared, okay? We also know that the base is 9 feet. So the base down here is 9 feet. We know that. Base is 9 feet. You got to think back at what our equations were. For area, we did base times height. For perimeter, we did 2. We did 2 times the height plus 2 times the width. Or you just did all 4 sides added up together. So for this, we don't know this, but we do know the area. So we're going to use the area formula right here, okay? So we know that the formula is so follow along, write this with me, area equals base times the height, okay? Well, let's just plug in our numbers. 54 is the area. We don't know what the height is. We don't know. But what times 9 gives us 54? What is it? It is 6. So the height of this rectangle is 6. This mural for what she did, okay? You can do 1. I'm not going to do that right now. We're going to jump to the next page and work on some more of these problems. So here's this fence. This doggy has this pen right here. He will use 24 meters of fencing. Well, we know that the whole side is 24. 1, 2, 3, and 4 equals 24. We know that. And then the pen will be 3 meters wide. So we know that the pen is going to be 3 meters wide. We know that. Well, do we know area or perimeter? We know perimeter. So we're going to use the formula for perimeter. So we're going to do 2 times the length. So 2 times the length. We don't know what the length is. So we're just going to say L. Plus 2 times the width, when the width is 3. So let's just keep this. We don't know what it is. They use N. You can use N. You can use X. You can use L. So 2 times. So we keep it just the same length. We don't know what the length is. Then over here, what's 2 times 3? It's 6. So here we're at These should have been 24. Because we know what the perimeter is. Perimeter is 24. Okay? So you got to think, what plus 6 equals 24? 18! It's got to be 18, right? 18! Because 6, but think, hold on, you got 2 sides. You can't go 18 here and 18 here. What is 18 plus 18? That's 36 plus 3 and 3. It doesn't work like that. So now you got to think, okay, I've got 2 sides that equal 18. The top and the bottom equal 18. Okay? Because we did the width. The width is right here, and that's our 2 sides. But we got 2 times something equals 18. So what times 2 is 18? It is 9. The value is 9. So we can plug this in. We could go 9 and 9. What's 9 plus 9? 18. 3 plus 3 is 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So the value of the length of this is 9. I don't want the next page. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Let's scroll down. So let's look at these two. This is the perimeter. So the perimeter of a square. So let's draw a square. Pretty square. And the perimeter side A, B, C, and D. Add them all up and you get 24. So what is one side? Well, you remember the area of a square. This is the formula. So we know that P equals 24. So we can just plug our number in now. So 24 equals 4 times the side. Why 4? Because there are 4 sides. 4 sides. That's why 4. So we know that 4 times something, each side is the S. So 4 times what? 24 equals 4 times 6. So each side is 6. Each side is, woo, each side is 6. Each side is 6, okay? All right, here we go. Let's do a couple more, and then you're on your own. So find the unknown measure. The area of the rectangle is 36. So we know that the inside is 36. And it gives us that this height is 3. So now we know, here's the formula that we want to use. Area equals B times H. So the area is 36. We don't know what the base is. It's right here. We don't know what it is. But we do know what the height is. The height is 3. So we think, what time, you could do it 2 ways. What times 3 equals 36? Or you could go 3 divided into 36. It's the same thing. And you get what? You get 12. You get 12. Okay? All right. Let's go down to 2, 3, 4. Hopefully I have time. I'm going to get on a Zoom with you here in just a minute. So we know that the bottom down here is 12. We don't know what the height is, but we do know what the perimeter is. So we want to use the perimeter formula. So P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Let's just plug our numbers in. We know what the perimeter is. The perimeter is 44. And then that equals 2 times the length. Do we have the length? Yeah, we do. It's 12. Plus 2 times the width. Do we know what the width is? We don't know what the width is. So that's what we're trying to figure out. Okay, so I'm running out of room, so I'm going to go right here. 44 equals, what's 2 times 12? 24 plus 2 times the width. Well, now what we got to do is take this and we can subtract. 44 minus 24 equals 20. So we know that this 2 times W equals 20. Well, what times 2 equals 20? It is 10. So you can say this side's 10 and then this side is 10. So we can take all those out. 12 plus 10 plus 10, and we get the measurement of 44. So our width is 44. Okay. One more. I'm out of time, so we got one more. This one's pretty, well, we're going to do both of them. I just won't answer them. So the area base times the height. So we know what the area is. It's 108. We know what the base is? We do. It's 9. And then we don't know what the height is. So what times 9 equals 108, okay? Then over here to number 4. Look, we have area again. So we have area equals base times height. So we know what the area is. It's 90. Equals, we know what we don't know what the base is. Base times the height we know is 5. So now what times 5 equals 90? Or you can just divide it up, okay? So finish that one up. You're going to work on these problems right down here. So finish 739. This page 740 would be a good one to do. But you need to work on 741 and 742. Those are the ones you need to work on today, okay? Thanks for your hard work, and we will see you later.